Planning your utility network migration? Or already migrated? Managing water utilities can be complex, especially with traditional systems that face challenges with real-time monitoring, leak detection, and predictive maintenance. At iSpatial Techno Solutions, we transform your water utility management with AI-powered GIS, providing smarter decisions and real-time insights. With AI-driven insights, predict impacts, detect issues, and streamline operations with real-time business integration. Connect all your systems for a unified operational view, saving time and reducing water loss. Whether you're planning or already using the utility network, IST helps you unlock the full potential of AI-powered GIS for smarter, more resilient communities. Transform your utility operations today. Visit ispatialtech.com